Resim App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how many recipes people save and never cook. Resimi aims to fix the problem by turning inspiration into action. But does it work in 2025? Resimi is a recipe organization and meal planning app that lets users save recipes from anywhere online and turn them into structured cooking plans. Instead of screenshots and bookmarks, everything lives in one clean dashboard. Here's how it works. You import recipes from websites or social media, customize ingredients, and generate shopping lists automatically. The surprising truth is that reducing friction is what actually gets people cooking at home. One major advantage is simplicity. Resimi focuses on usability, not overwhelming features. Meal planning feels natural rather than forced, which helps users stay consistent. Another pro is flexibility. You can adjust servings, swap ingredients, and organize meals by preferences or dietary needs. However, most people get this wrong by expecting built-in nutrition tracking. Resimi is about planning and organization, not calorie counting. Some premium features also require a subscription. In conclusion, Resimi is ideal for home cooks who want less chaos and more structure. If you already love finding recipes but struggle with execution, Resimi is a practical tool worth using in 2025.